Okay, so what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dillon and I run track. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you want to. I don't care really, but you know, yes I do, because who's trying to have a YouTube and not have subscribers or likes or views? Like, that makes no sense. But anyways, better hit that subscribe button. Okay. And today I'm about to unbox the Nike Air Zoom Maxflies. These are the shoes that they will be using at the Olympics. These are the highly anticipated shoes that Nike has been making since 2019, 2020. And they were going to be the Nike Air Zoom, like, I think Viper Flies. I think that's Viper Flies. I think that's what it was going to be called. So, right, I have the... I just saw them on the internet, and I am, you know, you're gonna see it when I see it. So whatever, y'all. Hey, I'm just excited. So you know, I'm ready to open this box up. But y'all not, y'all don't know what hey, I'm ready to open this box up. So without further ado, let's get into it. Because once you get into it, you can't get out. And that's the only thing that's stopping you from being yourself. You know, had to cop this. Let's get into the actual unboxing, okay? So yeah, I'm so excited. I had it. So I opened the first part. Well, let me not cut this towards you, because if I cut myself. So yo, I'm gonna unbox this. Okay, I see you. You see this? I think we're good. See, I'm being nice with y'all. Y'all seeing this way before me, because hey, like I said, I did not open this box yet. So. Normally like the box is orange, but this box is white. So Nike Air Zoom Maxfly. I don't know. So I got the 11.5. Ooh, what is this box? Oh. The damn receipt from Running Warehouse. If y'all want to get spikes from Running Warehouse, that's normally where I get all my spikes from. That's where I got these shoes from. That's where I got my first Nike Zoom Superfly Elites from. And this is y'all not gonna see my address. So the first thing out the box is, so they give you a drawstring, like backpack type. Okay, so they know. Wait, yo, that's tough. Yo, look, bro, it has like one for each side. Yo, that's tough. So you put one shoe, but what I think is this is actually smart, because you know it's bubble. Like I know it's like it says, you know, on the Nike website, it says a Zoom Air unit at the forefront gives you a light, responsive bounce when your foot connects to the track. So, yeah. And, okay, so y'all, I'm just looking at it through the thing, so. Whoa! 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 This is actually so tough, bro. Y'all don't know. Okay, do y'all know the times that I'm gonna go down with these spikes, bro? It's not like, so, okay, I'm gonna bring the other shoe and I'm gonna bring its cousin in, or it's not cousin, I'm gonna say, like, you know, they siblings, because, you know, it's the newborn baby. And these are gold, because you remember, like, these were like Inferno type, you know, they had like they lit the tips with fire and stuff to make them like different colors. These are actually gold, because you know when you win the race, when you come on the track with these spikes, you're going to win. You're going to win. It's nothing about that. But besides that, like I said, this is like has 2 chambers in the bag. So when you put because of the air bubble, and when you put your spikes on, you might accidentally spike the bubble. So, cause like it does say, 2 cushion chambers within the air unit add even more stability and spring. So these are the 2 air chamber units in the spike actually. And like, y'all can't tell me this spike ain't tough, but hey, we missed out. When you put your actual spikes on, you can put them in the individual chambers like its own little room, so that your spike doesn't mess it up. And here's the other one, so that your spikes won't burst you see the green bubble right here, so your spikes won't burst the bubble. That's actually so smart. Yeah, I actually messed with that. Let's read the specs on the actual spikes. So back to when I was talking about the air bubbles, they're called like stable bounce. It combines a full length of carbon plate for a propulsive and stable feel as your foot takes off. So that's this black plate right under the spike. And like I said, propulsive, yo, let me take this off because they're gonna think I'm cheating. Like this spike can't bend, so imagine when you're actually running and you put all your body weight and force back on the track, yo. When these spikes bend, they can't bend. But when they're on your foot and you have all that weight and your foot bends the spike, that's gonna propel your foot forward and give you all of that. Everything you put down the track is gonna give it right back. Because everybody was like, it has an air bubble, so it's not doing nothing for you. But they didn't know that there's a carbon plate right here that's still doing what needs to be done. You ain't had the spikes, you don't know nothing about it. You wasn't doing all the research, you ain't buy the spike. You don't think Nike thought about that? Get out my face. Nike's doing their thing. What you talking about? These spikes, they could bend very easily, but these spikes can't really bend that easily. So if you was running fast in these spikes, and these spikes were meant for you to run faster, imagine what's gonna happen with spikes. Imagine. Even Nike knows these spikes about to make you run fast, bro. They freaking have 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and 0 milliseconds. And 0 hundredths of a second. Don't come from me. I said hundredths of a second, okay? So, they know you finna be running fast when you get these spikes on. Bro, you put these spikes on, you become an angel. I know y'all like to say you become a demon. It's only godly over here. Hey, you will become an angel. Angel flying high with wings, soaring. You will be soaring. Soul is like pink, right? And then it has like 2021. They knew they was coming with the heat. They knew they was coming with the heat in 2021, bro. Well, you know what's funny? It looks like they had 2020 here, and then they wrote over 2021 with a pencil or something, like they was scratched 2020 is 2021. See, when y'all do art and stuff, and you into, design and stuff, you'll understand like what people are thinking when they design things. Like that's if I was a designer and I did, that's actually a good, that's actually a good thing. I know Nike would appreciate that, if y'all want to sponsor me in the future, I have people like me who actually understand the artistic attributes of y'all's brand, come, I'll support you, you can support me in my athletic and future career goal endeavors, okay? Just remember me. They did the same thing in this shoe, and they say air zoom on the bottom, as you can see, and yeah, let's see what else the specs say about the shoe. A woven synthetic upper gives you structure, lightweight containment. Notched laces means less chance of them untying you in mid-run. Okay, so my biggest fear is my shoe coming untied when I run. So, and everybody says, "Dillon, why you tie your shoe so tight?" And I don't cuss. I'm not cussing. I really be having my lace lines on the top of my foot after I finish run, even when I have socks on. I just don't like tying my laces loose because I don't want my shoe falling off my foot. Like y'all can see, the edge is pinching off of, you know, how I tie my laces. And these shoes actually, I really needed some new spikes because I tie my laces so tight that it literally ripped. That's just me. And as you can see, like, I didn't mention this earlier, but this is like, what technology? Like, this is the ATOMKNIT technology on this, where you can see through it. I know they have a different design of the same spikes. I think they have the ATOMKNIT design. I don't know if they call it something different. I'll just put it right here. You know, I'll just put a picture right there. So, this one's the fly weave. This is similar to the, I don't want to say it's similar to the Nike Zoom Superfly technology. I don't know what the different names of the, you know, different, you know, technology they use on the spikes. I just know that it's kind of similar to the one before. I also like how it's like a single line, you know, that makes the Nike sign. That's actually really cool. And I also like the two Nike symbols. This one that's kind of neon, and this one that's the regular original one. So that's some things I find is cool. That's basically it. But the last thing about this is, this might look like more heavy duty because, you know, it has the bubble, has the carbon plate, has, you know, plastic onto it. It's not see-through, so the cloth might make it weigh more. But evidently, they both weigh the same at 5.7 ounces. So it's not like, oh, it's kind of different. It's actually the exact same. I just think, you know, you run with these spikes, bro, you better expect your times to come down drastically, bro. Like, you get off that curve, you get out that straightaway, bro, you gotta be moving. Yeah, that's the spike, and yeah, I like them. Comment down below if you think they trash, or if you actually think they fire. Put fire emojis. Okay? Imagine coming to the track meet. You got this on your back in the warm-up area. They'd be like, what is, yo? And you take one spike out, and they're like, what's going on? Then you take the other spike out, and you're like, oh, this boy just put out two guns out the bag. This is not an open carry state. No, it's not. This is not Texas. But if you ain't know, I'm going to University of Houston, and that's an open carry state. So I'm gonna be able to walk around these all my life. Have these in your bag. You come on the track. You come to eat, and it is what it is. Yeah.